Hello friends, welcome to Baby Fun Zone. Let us learn and have some fun.
Hello kids, today we are going to see different types of food. So let's get started. This is a muffin.
This is a muffin.
This is yogurt.
This is yogurt.
This is pasta.
This is pasta.
This is pizza.
This is pizza.
This is a burger.
This is a burger.
This is a cereal bar.
This is a cereal bar.
This is a cookie.
This is a cookie.
This is ice cream.
This is ice cream.
This is a fruit salad.
This is a fruit salad.
This is sandwich.
This is sandwich.
This is chocolate pudding.
This is chocolate pudding.
This is juice.
This is juice.
This is cake.
This is cake.
This is taco.
This is taco.
This is milk.
This is milk.
This is cereal.
This is cereal.
This is cheese.
This is cheese.
This is egg.
This is egg.
This is fish.
This is fish.
This is chicken.
This is chicken.
This is a waffle.
This is a waffle.
This is a pancake.
This is a pancake.
So, these are our types of food.
Keep learning and subscribe to Baby Fun Zone.